Hey guys, I received this tiny portable camping stove in exchange for this review, but all of these thoughts are my own. I received this in a simple plastic sleeve, and it comes with this carrying case as well. It does need just a little bit of assembly. Of course, you have the grill piece, two of these side pieces, and then the supports. So you take one of these side pieces, slide it in to the supports like that, then take the other side piece and then slide it into the supports as well. Then just take the grill and set it on top. So pretty easy to assemble. Of course, you're going to put some charcoal in there first. That way you can grill your stuff on the grill. So I'm going to take this into my backyard and try it out. All right, going to set it right there. Throw this charcoal in there. Actually, I'm going to put some twigs down first. Just a little bit of charcoal fluid on those. Then the charcoal. Then the grate. All right, let's light it up. Wait for a few minutes to get those coals nice and heated up, and then we'll throw some meat on top. So I'm going to cook a couple of these pork patties. Fire's almost ready. Got some white tips to the charcoal already. So I'll be putting these on pretty soon. So, I mean, it's a small grill. You're not going to put a lot on it. People who like to go camping, maybe like a single person who likes to go camping. People who are backpacking who want to carry as little as possible. So I'm definitely not the best at grilling. And these pork patties might have been a little ambitious of me. The grill is starting to warp a little bit. So keep that in mind. We'll see how it looks after it cools down. All right, this one's done, I think. Doesn't look pretty, but doesn't look bad either. Let's try another one. All right, let's turn this one over. That one did a lot better than the first one. Almost done. Here's number 3. I like how easy it is to move the grill. That way if you miss a little bit when you throw your meat on top, you can easily just reposition it. So I mentioned that the grill is warping, and this is kind of what it looks like after 3 patties. It's really not warping all that much, just kind of mostly from the weight of the patty, honestly. And the fire allows it to bend a little bit, and the patty weighs it down. So I'm actually going to flip it over and see if the weight of the next patty will straighten it out. Looking pretty good. Last patty cooking. So, would I recommend this? If you're camping by yourself, going solo, backpacking, trying to travel super light, then yeah, I could see somebody using this. When you're traveling with it, you can just put it in that bag, and it's super flat, super light, cooks 1 serving at a time. And if you're just by yourself, then yeah, totally. Might work for you. All right, taking the last one off. So that grate is still warped a bit, but definitely flat enough to put back in the container and travel with it. So here's how it looks after using it. Definitely not shiny and new anymore, but you can definitely clean that up some. And the point of stuff isn't to be kept perfect, but to be well used and well loved. It's all about the memories along the way, right? If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.